HERU Select is a new generation of innovative energy recovery ventilation units that are designed for greater design freedom and unlimited connection options, and which simplify installation in both new builds and existing properties. The product series includes 3 sizes. The ventilation units are built in modules for increased design freedom and unlimited connection options. The modules are delivered wrapped in plastic on 3 pallets. The stand is packed together with the rotor module. When removing packaging, make sure not to damage or scratch the product. The packaging is sorted in the designated place for recycling. Depending on model size, configuration, and door width, the 3 modules can be easily transported through a standard door frame with no or minimal impact on the property. The stand is assembled using only a screwdriver and a rubber mallet. The adjustable feet can either be mounted directly on the frame or on the legs that can be attached to the frame for increased height. The stand, adjustable feet, and legs are included with the modules. Place the entire stand on the anti-vibration pads. With a spirit level, ensure that the stand is level when mounted. Adjust if necessary. Loosen the eccentric latches on the inside of the stand's main beams before placing the rotor module on the stand. When the stand is assembled and in level, the rotor module is first placed on the stand using, for example, a suitable pallet lift or similar lifting equipment. The module is attached to the stand without tools, using eccentric latches. The chosen side module is then lifted onto the stand. Leave a gap towards the rotor module. Open the doors on both the rotor module and the side module to access the locking handles for connecting the modules. Then remove the filter bags. Open the upper and lower locking handles to allow mounting of the side module to the rotor module. Slide the side module into place and then close the handles so that the modules lock together. Connect electricity via the quick connection. Lift, lock, and connect the other side module. Refit filter bags in both the left and right side modules. The units are delivered with a wired docking station with IQ control display that can also be used wirelessly. The HERU Select ventilation units can of course also be connected to an overhead control system.